When you wish to conduct a Greek search on the command line will automatically switch to Greek characters after you type the period. In most instances, you'll wish to search for all forms of a word, so you should use the lemma for the word that you wish to search for and a Greek morphological version. To search for a Greek word throughout the Septuagint and the Greek New Testament, click on the command line and enter the BGM, and then hit enter. That will switch your command line search version to the BGM. Now enter a period, and then you can begin typing your Greek word. Let's say we wish to search for the word agapao. The BibleWorks Greek keyboard is designed to intuitively use the same sounding English character in most cases for the Greek letter. So A is alpha, G is gamma, but for some letters you may have difficulty finding the letter on your keyboard. BibleWorks offers two options to help you in this respect as you're learning the Greek and Hebrew keyboards. You can go to Tools on the main menu, then click Interface Settings and BibleWorks Keyboard. Let's adjust the location of the BibleWorks keyboard that opens. And since I wish to type in Greek, I'm going to switch the language to Greek. Now I have a keyboard helper for the command line, and this works only in the command line. Now we wish to finish our word agapao. I'll click again within the command line so that my cursor is following the gamma, and let's complete our word agapao. So now I can click the keys here in the BibleWorks keyboard. And then I can enter my Greek word in this fashion. Notice that various accents are displayed here as well. And if you should need to see the uppercase characters, the BibleWorks keyboard displays uppercase characters when you hold down the Shift key. You can also view a keyboard layout by going to Help, BibleWorks Help Contents, and in the Frequently Used Links, click the BibleWorks Greek keyboard.